Just a few days after the Commissioner of Police had ordered an investigation into certain things in relation to Alkaline's After All music video, we're seeing where Alkaline's management team has come out and sought to apologize. Alkaline says sorry for After All music video controversy. So even after Alkaline's management team has come out and publicly stated that they are apologizing for the contents of the music video, we're seeing where the director of said video, J. Will, has stated that the artist has the rights to creative expression. Dancehall artist Alkaline, whose real name is Erland Bartlett, and his management have apologized for the controversial mini-film music video to the track After All, aspects of which have triggered an investigation by the police. But Alkaline's team and music director J. Will Films have both defended the artist's rights to creative expression. With respects to the situation surrounding the video After All, which was released on May 18, 2017 and directed by J. Will, the artist reserves the right to creative license in expressing the contents of the song artistically with the relevant props. However, we do understand the position of the JCF. Considering the rise in crime and violence in the country, the management therefore would like to apologize to the JCF and or anyone who may have been affected by the contents portrayed in the video. No ill intentions were meant or directed towards any member of the JCF, and we are in full support of the fight against crime and violence in Jamaica, a release from J. Will Films stated. At the same time, J. Will Films, while defending Alkaline's right to creative expression, extended an apology to the Jamaica Constabulary Force and particularly female police officers who may have taken offense to the film. The video, which features gun toting and weed smoking, cursing characters, is on YouTube and has been widely circulated on social media. The scenes, which also depict a woman dressed in the uniform of the JCF performing explicit sex acts, has elicited outrage from the police commissioner and the force, prompting an investigation, as other persons dressed as members of the JCF and what appears to be a marked police vehicle are also shown in the video. J. Will Films insisted yesterday that the creators of the short film meant no harm. This was not created or conceptualized to offend anyone, or did we mean any ill intent. We were simply expressing a fictional depiction of a corrupt officer in a corrupt situation. We honor and respect our police officers for making our families and our children safe day to day, and by no means mean any disrespect to the honest and hardworking policewomen and men on the force, J. Will Films stated. It added, we are content creators and we do have a responsibility to depict realistic situation, but at the same time it is our duty to paint a positive picture on our country when we can. So with that said, I would just like to apologize to anyone who may have been offended by our film. Police Commissioner George Quayle has issued instructions for those wearing police uniforms in the film to be found and statements taken from them. Checks are also being carried out to determine whether the vehicle is a unit of the official police fleet. And it says, meanwhile, music video entitled Inferred by Vice Cartel and Massacre is also under police microscope and is also the subject after an investigation. And it said, head of the FLA Shane Dalling told the Jamaica Observer yesterday that persons were being questioned in connection with the armored truck, guns and bullets featured in the video, and that an update on the investigation should be available today. The truck was featured as a subject of a robbery involving high-powered weapons. So peeps, there you have it. I mean, Alkaline's team has come out and stated that they apologize to anybody who was offended, and particularly to the JCF. We're seeing where J. Will has apologized, but he's also contending that the artists have creative rights and it is their duty as content creators to make a video or any form of content that they put out as realistic as is possible to match with the song that they are making or shooting the video for. So Jay will kind of contradict himself a few times still, but I just want them things. So people see them, as I said earlier, many persons, many of the Alkaline fans would have seen this as the police are fight Alkaline. You know that statement has been the popular statement since news broke that an investigation was launched. But the management team of the artist and probably the artist himself has seen it prudent, seen it wise, and seen it fit to issue an apology. So they are accepting, based on the apology, that some things are amiss and some things might have been wrong. You understand what I say? So the fans might not agree, and some of them are going to say Alkaline weak and the team weak, and you understand what I say? But at the end of the day, the man, I am job, him have to defend him bread, him have to make him food for him and him family. So the man do the wise thing and he has sought to apologize. Some people are going to say much to do about nothing because there was nothing there in the first place. I mean, the artist and him team never see it. So Jay Will is saying that okay, there are concerns, but then there shouldn't be so much concerns. And if you understand me as a peeps, I just want them things. We'll see what happened to the infrared investigation, and we'll see what happened or what has developed or what has been unearthed as the investigation into the After All music video is still ongoing. So that's the situation at the moment. Alkaline and the team say sorry. Jay will say sorry, but not really so sorry, if you understand what me I say. So we'll see what happens here, peeps. My gone. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.